Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the clicker game here. And in this part we will add levels to our already existing clicker game. So now let's see what we can do to add levels. First of all, the first thing that you need to do is go to variables and make a variable called level. Now then you need to set the level at the start of the game. So at the start of the game our level is 1, and we can also change the position of the level wherever you want on the screen. Now set level to 1. Now we want to change the level, and to change the level we want that if the score is greater than 5, or actually better off that we check that if the score is equal to 5, then we change the level to the next level. So we say that when the score is equal to 5, we switch the we do not switch backdrop to view win. We actually switch the level. So we go to the variables and we change level by 1, and we also set the score to 0 so that the score starts increasing again. And we can also add a level up uh, sprite here. So we can go here and we can go into paint and we can just add a text of level up here. You can change the color of this sprite. We can place it in the center. Okay, and that's our level up sprite. In level up sprite, we can again say that when the green flag is clicked, we want to start checking forever. So we will drag the forever loop so that we keep checking again and again the condition. And the condition is that if the score is equal to 5, we drag score from here. And if the score is equal to 5, we show this particular sprite. So we go into looks and we hide it in the very start of the game. We show it, we wait for certain seconds, maybe 0.2 seconds, and then we hide it again. So let's go to looks again and let's hide it again. So whenever the score reaches 5, we show the level up sprite. So we change the level, we set the score, and we are stopping everything. So we do not want to stop everything when the level is up, when the level changes. So we can go into the sounds section here and we can go to the sound library at the bottom, and then we can select a sound from here. Maybe a drum sound would be. So we'll add the drum roll here. So we can click on drum roll and it will be added into our library. We can go back here and we can say play the sound drum roll until done. And then can also switch backdrop for every level. So for that, we can go into backdrops here, and then we can keep adding different backdrops here. So we can add bedroom 2, we can add bedroom 3 here. We can add maybe a castle 3, and we can go ahead how many levels you want. You can add as many backdrops here. So where can we find the mouse? We can find the mouse in room 1, and we can find the mouse in maybe room 2. So I think 5 levels is enough for my game. So again, I'll go here. This is my game over backdrop. This is my human, which we do not need anymore. So I'll just drag these backdrops on the top so that when I do next backdrop, it moves to the next backdrop and it doesn't move to game over screen here. Let's go to the code again here, and let's go to the mouse, and we want to switch to the next backdrop. So we again go to the look, we go in the look section and we say next backdrop. So whatever the next backdrop will be, it will switch to that backdrop. So we want to switch to the next backdrop every time our level is up. Now let's check our game. So once we reach to the score of 5, our level up and sound shows up and our backdrop also changes. Let's try again. And you see that the backdrop also changes and level up sign appears. Same goes for this. So it keeps happening again and again. And now the game over screen appears. But we also want to display that what is the level that we have reached when the game ends. So we can go into looks and we can drag out say block, and we can say that congratulations, you reached till level, and then we want to add the number of the level that we have reached. So we can use the join block here, and we can copy all of this and we can paste it here, and then we can join the level with this block. So we'll go here and we'll drag out the level block and we'll put it here, and we can display it for 10 seconds. Now let's see when the game over, what level does it display. So we move to the next level. Our background also changed. Okay, so obviously here is a mistake. We do not have to put the say join block here, but when the game ends, so the game is ending when the timer is equals to 0. So now let's play the game again. So we move to the next level. Backdrop also switched to a different level. We also hear a sound in the backdrop, the drum rolls, and we now have reached level 4. And I cannot find my mouse. It's here. And now the timer has ended, and it says that congratulations, you reached to level 4. If you want to add a space after level, you can just go ahead and add the space here, and now it will have a space. So that's it, and hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you enjoyed adding levels to your Scratch game. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to get more content of this sort. And that's it. Thank you for watching.